Thank you very much to be here. My name is Alice. I'm head of research at CoinMarketCap. I look at a lot of data and trends. And for the past 7 weeks, it's been brutal in the market. So here, let's look at where does it lead us to in Q1. Let's do it. For the past 7 weeks, 3 things has fundamentally changed. Number 1, the massive liquidation in the market took out all the leverage, and the sentiment has changed. We recorded CMC Crypto Fair and Greed Index as 10, the lowest we have ever seen since we launched the index in 2023. But right now, as we speak, CMC Crypto Fair and Greed is at 22. So we have seen a V-shaped recovery in terms of sentiment. What does that mean? That means Q1 next year, the good market is going to come back. Another interesting point on this is the index never stays below 15 for more than 7 days. And this time, it was the same. As we speak right now, BTC is about 93K, and the market has seen the downward trend for the past 7 weeks. It's bouncing, but the market is very thin on liquidity at the moment. That means we are in hyper-listening mood. Every bit of macroeconomic updates, we act on it, and that's what you saw when the price rise up, but some people exit, and we saw the downtrend there. So as we speak, we saw the downtrend in the markets that has dipped below 3 trillion and then bounced back. Does that mean we are going to have the bear market going forward? Based on what I'm saying from CMC data, the answer is we are going to have a market comeback next year in Q1. And this is why. Number 1 is everyone is eyeing on the Fed interest rate cut is coming in 7 days. CME is pricing a 90% possibility of a 25 bips cut. And because the people at the table this time are different, institutions start in. ETFs holds about 7% of the 21 million BTC out there. DAT, digital asset treasuries, holds about 4%. So altogether, 11%. Institutions, what do? End of the year, they never make big trades. They rebalance their portfolio, they sell out. But January time, with this interest rate cut and with the potential QE coming in, we will see another inflow of capital from institutions, and that's where we predict February and March to be the bull market for us again. This is what I'm tracking at the moment. Stablecoin market cap right now is at all-time high. That means dry powder on the side. And if you go on to CMC, under the market overview, you'll see the dashboards for ETF, DAT inflows, liquidity, and market indicators. The second message the market is trying to tell us is altcoin is happening, believe it or not. Right now, altcoin season index is 23 out of 100, so we measure it by tracking the top 100 projects, their performance for the past 90 days. If 75% of them outperform BTC, we see it's an altcoin season. Okay, you tell me, Alice, look at that line chart, is trending down to dark orange, it's BTC season, but even within a bearish market like this, we have amazing pockets of performance. Astar, for example, is up about 12x, and then Zcash up about 11x, and then a few others as well. So what does it mean? It means there are small pockets of hyper growth going on in the market. In Q1 next year, these are the 3 things I'm monitoring. Prediction markets, as Trust Wallet just mentioned. Perp DEXs, still going to be trending. Number 3, stable coins and DeFi infrastructure. So those are the top 3 narratives where you want to rotate in and out in time in Q1 next year. Some people say, Alice, I don't have time to track the market. I don't know what to buy. I don't know when to sell. We build a solution for you. Introducing the first tradable crypto index, CMC20.
CMC20. 1 token, total brain. Token, total brain.
Thank you. CMC20 is one token that tracks the top 20 largest coins on CoinMarketCap. So when user buys, let's say, $100 of this, the DeFi protocol uses this money to buy the top 20 based on the index on BNB chain and mint a CMC20 in return. And this is your S&P 500 equivalent in crypto. It's market cap weighted, same as S&P 500, and every month we make a cut to determine which 20 goes in. Right now, it's the top 20 excluding stablecoins, wrapped tokens like wrapped ETH, and tokens with limited tradability. So this is your solution to go, say, use it as a core building block for your crypto exposure. That means when something is pumping within this index, its weight in the index goes up as well. So you are not missing out on any of the opportunities in the markets. And right now, it's available on Pancake, Trust Wallet, a few other centralized exchanges, DEXs, wallets, etc. And the next most amazing thing, I feel so proud with the team, is CMC AI. Some of you guys would already used CMC AI under the price chart. There are set questions, amazing analysis based on on-chain, off-chain data. But we just did an amazing upgrade on the 27th of November. It is now a chatbot. It is a ChatGPT equivalent for crypto, but Chat doesn't have all the data on crypto. We have all the ETF flows, derivatives, centralized DEXs data, on-chain sentiment, and CMC being the #1 traffic in crypto. We have about 900 million page views per month. We track all of those, and we track all the community comments and sentiment. And with that, we built CMC AI. It's a chatbot, and if you already use portfolio, watch list, or some of the other functions with CMC, it will give you personalized insights, proactive alerts, and the more you use it, the better it understands you, and the better it gets. And this is CMC
Everyone
AI.
has an opinion. But what if you could ask the data itself?
Ask the data. Ask CMC AI. Ask the data. Ask CMC AI.
I feel so proud of the team that built this. We have great minds behind this. It's been in the process for the past nine months. So how do you access CMC AI? How do you access CMC20? CMC AI right now in your search bar, just type cmc.ai, it will take you there. And for CMC20, it's on our homepage above BTC. A few other things I want to mention here. Number one is, why are we doing this? CMC continue to do the new product releases. The idea is that we're not just a data provider. You don't just come here and check BTC price. You come here, we make the data meaningful, actionable, and we give you solutions to benefit on this insight. And a few other things that we also do. Number one is, myself, I'm the head of research, so I also run a weekly crypto podcast that catch up on the news. It is called Weekly Crypto Forecast. You can listen to it live on CMC app, on X, on Facebook, or find us on Spotify and Apple Podcast. And the second thing that I want to mention is the community topics. It is recently released as well. It's the Quora equivalent for crypto. So if have you any questions, come to CMC, ask. There are some really good, high-quality analysis wisdom from the crowd. And with that, I actually want to say thank you guys very much, because I know some of you use CMC, and I hope some of these tools will actually help you with your crypto research, because this time in the market, things have changed so much. And you cannot just be fighting this battle alone. You need tools, you need insights, you need data. And I hope you all be here, enjoy BBW, and have fun. Thank you.